What's going on, guys? Investing Hustler here. Today I'm gonna sell off my Facebook shares. I just seen they reached the all-time high. This is pretty much how I sell them. I have right here my graph, which is pretty much showing that Facebook has been rising right here. As you can see right here, Facebook is. I'm gonna make sure that's an all-time high. It looks like it's pretty much tied up with its all-time high. And right here I have my bank, where I can pretty much determine the price I'm going to sell it for. So usually what I do is I like to constantly refresh this, and as you can see it just went up and it keeps going up, and I'm pretty much going to keep doing that until it starts going down. Then I might preview it. I have to enter my password. Fuck, I hope you guys can't see my password. So let's do this quick before I miss out on this price. So I'd like to preview that 187.93. I like to look here. If it starts to go down, I will sell it off at 187.93. And as you can see right now, it just went up to 187.95. So I will edit it and refresh it. So it just went up a little, 187.946. I'm going to keep previewing. Oh, look, it just went up to 187.97. And this is what I pretty much do every time I sell off. I like to squeeze every penny out of this company before I sell off, and sometimes it does burn me, like right, oh no, it went back up to 187.97. And I like to look here at this chart where it keeps going up. So as long as it keeps going up on that chart, I will, oh, see, there you go, 188.05. And the only reason why I'm selling it right now is because I feel like it's about to reach its all-time high, and from there it will most likely go down. I mean, it might continue to go up, but I've been holding on to this share for quite some time, to the point where I've been selling off for profit, and this is my last sell-off. And it's not like I'm not going to buy Facebook for the rest of the year. If I see a nice little dip on Facebook, I will most likely buy it again. If I start reading good news on Facebook, I will most likely buy it again. There is also a very good chance where I might sell it and it will continue to go up. Something like that happened to me with Nintendo Switch, Nintendo stocks, which I could talk to you about after. So right now, as you can see, Facebook just keeps going up to 188.14. So I'm gonna have to keep refreshing it. Maybe this video will be a little longer than I expected, because I expected it to end at 188, but it keeps going up past 188 now, 0.09, and as I'm looking at my chart, and it's going down 188.07. So right now I can easily submit and I'll get this price, and now it's going down to 188.0. So if I see it go back down to 179, nope, it went back up to 188.07. So I will be possibly refreshing one more time if I see it go up past 188.09. Come on, come on. I mean, literally, I'm only gonna be, so it did not go back past 188.09. That seems to be my cap. Um, for my profit right now. So you don't want to hold it on this page for too long, because then it will say that something about your payment has been still for too long and you have to redo it. So 188.9 seems to be the magic number. I'm going to refresh just to see if it goes up a little more. Nope, 188.9 is the magical number. And if it doesn't go back higher than that, I will sell. And if it starts going lower, yeah, I will sell. But if it goes higher, I will refresh and try to get a few extra pennies. Who knows, maybe $1 here and there. Realistically, I'm only making I can't show you right now, $141 profit on this trade, but I traded it 3 times. My first time I made about I think it was 120. I sold too soon, and my second one was midway, and now it's so yeah, I just been collecting my profit. It looks like it's gonna go below 188, so I will most likely sell it. As soon as it goes down to 179 point something, I will sell, because I'm pretty happy with 188.09. If it does go past that after I sell it, I'm not gonna beat myself up, because at the end of the day, I've made I think at least $500 from Facebook. And what I usually do, so as you can see, I'll show you my Facebook price. I purchased it at 180.57, so that was probably right around here. After the big drop, it was probably like right around here I purchased it, 180.67. So when I purchased it, it did go back down, and I was tempted to buy more shares, but so it just went down to 187.97. I am going to click submit. boom, shares are sold, and there you go. So let me go back to explaining what I did. I purchased it about around at 180.7, and it did go back down. I was tempted to purchase more stocks around here, but then I figured I'm gonna wait for it to go a little lower, and then I'm gonna purchase more stocks. But then the next day it actually went back up, and it went all the way up to 181, and I was gonna sell, but I was like, you know what, it's probably gonna continue to go up. So on the 19th, when it hit this high point around here, I sold off. So I sold off about 20 of my 60 shares. So then pretty much from there it went downhill. So I'm like, good, I made a good decision. But then the next day it also went up, and I probably sold around here at 183, and I kept 20 more shares, and then it continued to go up. I beat myself up. I had 20 more shares. I was about to sell the 20 remaining shares, but then I'm like, you know what? It might go up tomorrow, so I held on until you guys witnessed it, 180.08, and as you can see right now, it's at 187.79. Who knows, tomorrow it might go back up, but I'm happy with my. I rather collect profits, so I rather be wrong and make money than be wrong and lose money. Because if I waited till tomorrow and it went all the way down, that means I could have been wrong and I could lose money compared to what I made now, where I sold it and then tomorrow it might go up and I could be wrong, but at least I made money. So the way I look at it is I like to collect my profits that's there and for sure in the green. And I have other companies I just invested in. Oh my god, why is Facebook still there? Let's refresh this. Yeah, so yeah, Facebook's gone. All my shares are gone. Companies I just invested in this morning is JD.com, which I'm amazed that already it went up 133. I'm gonna be talking about my top 5 stocks in my next video. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Bye bye.